Hi everyone, I'm back with second part of Unwrap UVW. For the first part of Unwrap UVW, you can see the car on the top right of the video, or you can also see the link in description area. There are also other helpful links which is helpful in this tutorial. So let's start. But before that, please be nice and subscribe my channel. Please hit the bell button for my future videos notifications, and don't forget to like and comment on my video. Please take a few minutes for me. I feel very happy when I see the growing numbers of my subscribers, and I also love to read comments and likes. So finally, let's start now. After saving PNG of UV template, open PNG in Photoshop. Take a new layer and fill it with black color with Shift F5. I also make a video of shortcut of Photoshop. You can see a card of shortcut tutorial on the top right of the video, or you can also see the link in description area. I fill black background layer with black color because I can see the both color of UV template PNG, green and white. Now set your texture on the above layer of UV template PNG. Size it with the green circle. Now hit background layer and export PNG. Open Max. Select your 3D object which you have applied Unwrap UVW. Go to Material Editor, select one of them, then click on this box in front of Diffuse, then select Bitmap, open, select your PNG, open and apply. You can rename the material. Now click on the Show button. I think I applied well. What you say? Now click on Render and see the result. It's a very important tutorial, so I will also add the subtitles to understand more easily. But still you have any question, you can ask in comment section. I will apply in a day, so stay connected and subscribe my channel for new tutorials and videos to motivate me. Give me good comments, hit bell button, stay healthy, stay tuned. See you again. Bye.